guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style and Shine. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified to my latest review videos. Basically, my channel is all about reviewing the products which are latest available in the market. It's not related to only the Mamaearth products, but I also review about the other brands as well. And if you are already my subscriber, you are again welcome back to my channel. So yeah guys, today I'm going to review about the Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal, which contains vitamin C and chamomile. So yeah guys, so this is how the packaging of the Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal is like. So this is the outer packaging. I'll also show you the inner packaging. The packaging is quite impressive. So yeah, so let me show like what all the details of this charcoal black long stay kajal has to say. So actually this kajal, they claims that it stays for 11 hours. It is smudge free and it is made safe. So it is toxin free. It's a long stay, and it has been tested, and it contains 0.35 of gram, and it works for the rupees like 299. Yeah, coming to the another part, that is the ingredients part. So as you can read it out on the screen, it has a list of ingredients into it. They have also mentioned the direction of using it, like you need to apply neatly on your upper eyelid starting from the inner corner and repeat the same from the lower eyelid, and it builds up the color for a bold and intense look. Yeah guys, whatever the direction they have said or whatever they have mentioned, the product really works the same thing. They have also mentioned that how you can remove it, and basically the kajal is like waterproof. It has intense color payoff, and it smoothens and nourishes the eyes as well. So they have also mentioned like the detailing about the kajal, like it contains like a vitamin C and caramel. So these are the key ingredients of this product. Guys, you need to watch my video till the end, since I'll tell you my experience after using this. So this is how the outer packaging looks. So yeah guys, once you open the outer package, so this is how the inner package looks, and it stays at one place, and it's very handy and travel friendly too. So it's just like any other kajal pencil, and it has a very nice grip when you apply the kajal on your eye. So let me show you now the swatch. So it's the very nice dark black in color, and just in one stroke it gets evenly applied on the eyes. And right now I'm showing it on my hand. Even like as the product says that it's a smudge proof, yeah, definitely it's a smudge proof. So as you can see, I'm rubbing with my finger, still it's not getting smudge. So yeah, so this is the best thing that I liked about it. And they say that it stays for 11 hours, so that's the best part about it. Now I'll show you, like even if I like put some water, it does not get removed as well. So this is how, as you can see, I've added a lot of water, and then I tried to smudge like with my finger, still it did not get removed. So yeah guys, so if you want to purchase this product, you can order it from Nykaa, Amazon or Flipkart, but I recommend you to purchase it from Mamaearth website or from their app as well, so that you get 20% off if you use my coupon code, that is the Shine 2021. And more than that, if you purchase from their website, the one more interesting thing is that they link your order on the website to the tree that they plant, and the exact geolocation pictures of the species of the trees will be sent to you. So that's the quite unique thing, I must say. And basically most of the Mamaearth products are like the plastic positive, and they are quite natural, and they are free from harmful chemicals. So our eyes are quite sensitive, so I think that this is the best kajal I would recommend you. And it's an Indian brand, so we need to support our Indian brand. Guys, I'll provide all the link in the description of the purchase. If you want to download the Mamaearth app, or if you want to purchase it from the application. So yeah guys, my recommendation is that you should definitely give a try to this product. It's very useful, it's travel friendly, it has a very nice dark black color, and it's smudge proof, and it stays for 11 hours. Looking after all this like long lasting like staying formula on the eye of this kajal, I highly recommend you to buy this and just give it a try. Yeah guys, so it's time to say bye. I hope you have liked this video. If you do so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and always stay style and shine.